Bonjour! Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate meringue cake. That sounds delicious. So for this you will need different kind of ingredients, but quite basic. You don't need something particularly difficult to find.
So this is all what you need: eggs, brown sugar, vanilla paste, dark chocolate, butter, baking powder, ground almond and flour.
So this is a cake that you can do in 2 steps. First step is actually the chocolate cake. You need to bake it at 160 degrees for 35 minutes.
In a saucepan, melt gently the butter and the dark chocolate. Let it cool down, and in a bowl of your mixer, or you can also use an electric whisk, put 2 eggs and the 4 yolks, the brown sugar and the vanilla paste, and you mix until it becomes pale and thick. And then you will add the chocolate mixture. Finish by adding the ground almond and the sifted flour. You can also have the option of choosing a gluten-free flour. Grease and flour a tin and pour the mixture into it and bake it for about 30-35 minutes at 160 degrees.
Now the cake is in the oven, we are going to make the chocolate meringue. For this you need those ingredients:
4 egg whites, 25 grams of cocoa powder, 220 grams of caster sugar and 3 teaspoons of corn flour. Start by whisking the egg whites, and when it starts to be a little bit foamy, just add the sugar. Stop when you have obtained a glossy and thick meringue. Finish by adding the cocoa powder and the 3 teaspoons of corn flour, and then gently fold in. You will add this meringue at the top of your cake, and you increase the temperature of the oven to 180 degrees and you bake for 20 more minutes. Je vous souhaite un bon appétit!